Programming and calibration. When the machine is turned on, the software release is displayed as well as the position of the 4 dip switches for configuring the machine. The programming keys are Enter to go into the menu and/or to confirm the value set, up and down arrow keys to scroll through the menu and increase, decrease the values, Reset to return to the previous step. Keys are also numbered from 1 to 6 as in the picture. User mode functions. In the menu, press Enter key for 5 seconds. Select language appears. This is the only function in user mode. Press the Enter button to enter the submenu, and with the arrow keys, select the preferred language. Press Enter to confirm, and Reset to return to using the machine. Service Engineer mode functions. From the language selection menu, press the down arrow key and password is displayed. Enter the default password, 22222. The menu has 3 submenus: counters, dose programming and setting, as well as exit. Counters. To read the counters, press Enter for the submenu. The display shows the key we are reading, cycles from the left grinder and right, decaffeinated. With the up arrow key, you can see all 6 drinks: hot water, steam, wash counter, total litres, and the total beverages of the machine. Press Reset to exit the submenu. Programming doses. From the counters menu, use the down arrow key to enter dose programming and the Enter button to go into the submenu. Select programming keys. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the key to program. For example, with key 1, press Enter and use the arrow keys to set the various cycles. Select the cycle, then press Enter to go into the submenu. Use the down arrow key to select the settings for that cycle. The list of programmable functions for coffee and double coffee beverages are setting the grinding time in seconds, left and right grinders, for the amount of ground coffee to be used, to select the default grinder. Setting volume of water in cc's. Activation or deactivation of pre-brewing and pressing. Setting the amount of hot water added in cc's, optional. The list of programmable functions for milk coffee beverages also includes setting the time in seconds of the total milk time to adjust the amount of milk, setting in seconds the time without air to adjust the amount of foam in the milk, setting in seconds the time to wash the milk circuit. To exit programming, press the Reset button to get to the dose planning level. With the up-down arrows, scroll to exit and press Enter. Settings. Settings menu dose programming. Press the down arrow to enter the setting machine parameters and Enter to go into the submenu. Press Enter to go into the desired item and program it using the up and down arrow keys. Press Reset to confirm and exit the submenu. Submenu items include setting the coffee boiler tank temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, setting the steam boiler tank temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, setting the pouring group temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, setting the number of cycles after which the grinder automatically increases the grinding time by 0.1 seconds, setting maintenance time and the number of maintenance cycles. 12,500 is recommended for the first maintenance. Setting the number of cycles at which the machine requires the spent coffee drawer to be emptied. Setting the rinse group to start after the machine is in standby for 20 minutes. Setting the number of beverages allowed after the cleaning alarm is activated. Setting the number of cycles after which washing is required. Setting the time after the last disbursement of a milk drink when washing is required. Setting the automatic on-off switch. Setting the time to automatically reduce the machine's power consumption. Setting the date and time. Setting the number of cycles in the encoder for positioning the group in an intermediate position. setting the number of cycles on the encoder for positioning the group in top position, setting the number of gallons of water used, after which the water filter replacement arms is activated, setting the hardness of the incoming water, changing the default password. Press the reset button to exit the menu setting. Press the up arrow key as far as exit, and then press enter to exit the programming.